Welcome to this use case tutorial. In this video I will show you a detailed setting regarding the distribution of layout snippets in your Printess MAKE environment. We've got a two-page document here, and if you are on page 1 to now choose a different layout, it is replacing it on page number 1 and the following. In this case, only one additional page. But if we now on page 2 to select again a new layout, it will only place the new cover layout on page 2 and page number 1 won't change. So now we're ending up with two cover pages in one document. But there is one setting in the Buyer View Appearance settings. You find them here if you hit the gear icon to go to Buyer View Appearance settings, other settings where you find the Printess MAKE settings. You can activate the option apply Printess MAKE layouts always on the first page. If this is turned on, you can avoid that issue. So if we go back to the buyer side to start that process again, to select one of these layouts here, and I'm now changing it on page number 2. Also page number 1 is changed because of that setting activated. That's really it. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.